Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2017 Toyota Sienna SE. This is an 8-passenger minivan in pre-dawn gray, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, roof rails, smart key system, power liftgate, and power sliding side doors. But now why don't we hop inside this Sienna and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button, power sliding door buttons for the left and right, and the power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. The Sienna does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock for you. Let's take a look on the bottom of the door first. You have some nice storage space that runs along the entire side, and above it you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with all-weather mats all around and black leather seating, and on the bottom you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. Now it's time to hop inside. Start it up, push the start, foot on the brake as always, engine start button behind the wheel. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first, and this arrow, these arrows will just help you navigate through your entertainment display located in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right you have this cluster. This will just help you navigate through your multi-information display located right there. And while we're up here, let's just show you this Sienna does have 15,468 kilometers on it. Now it's time to move on to our screen. We're on home. It's got the split screen going with the navigation map, any device that might be connected, and any audio that might be playing. You can also press that and that map will enlarge. If we go ahead and press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. Of course, there's a choice between USB, CD, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, there it is. Get guidelines as well. Climate control system. It is a tri-zone climate control system, so you control the temperature for yourself. The passenger can control the temperature for themselves. And you got this little one down here for those rear passengers. Underneath you have your USB and auxiliary 12-volt outlet. Driver and passenger heated seats. Let's press that button. You got a nice little cup holders there. Put that back in. Down below you have another 12-volt outlet as well as this giant storage space. 2 more cup holders. Center console, nice and easy. Plenty of space in there. Let's close that right up. And lastly is the passenger side. We got this nice little shelf up top and the glove box. Features your owner's manual, plenty of space in there. But now let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. All we got to do is give that handle a gentle pull, and that sliding door opens for us nice and easy. Continuing with the all-weather mats, of course, and the black leather seating. Behind the 2 front seats, you do have some nice pockets for some extra storage. Above, if we press this button, they got their own little screen back here. And lastly, these seats do fold down. All we got to do is just press this up, and that'll give you access to your 3rd row seating in the back. So to open up, all we got to do is hold this bottom button on the key fob, and that power liftgate will open for us. Taking a look inside. With the 3rd row seating up, you do have some nice storage space along the bottom side here, as well as on the left. Of course, these seats do fold down. All we got to do, just pull this handle, and they tuck in like so, and that'll give you some extra space. And like I showed earlier, the 2nd seating row goes down as well, and that'll give you that extra bit of space. So to close up, we got this button up top. Give that a press, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our 2017 Toyota Sienna SE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your tri-zone climate control system, backup camera, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.